this week we had Jamie Zoo come into the school to help our students get the opportunity to learn about endangered species of snake, frog and different marsupials that we have here in Australia. They were educated as to the ecosystem in which these animals actually belong to and the services in which they provide as well, which is highly important considering the threats in which our fauna face due to habitat loss and also pollution and our changing climate. We've also had the opportunity to look at the reasons why they were reducing in numbers, apart from those threats. And we also found that Jamie was highly engaging. He linked to so many other areas as well, which was great, looking at evolution and the way in which our species have changed due to our changing land masses and also our changing environment here in Australia. He made it very clear to the kids too that we have one of the highest extinction rates in the world.
And pest animals is one of the biggest mistakes we ever made in this country. We are the worst country in the world for extinction rate of animals in the shortest amount of time.
And this is due to the fact that we are so isolated as a continent. And the kids got a really good idea about how we could start looking at their own ecosystems as part of their own study in ecology, to look at the different ways in which the animals provide different services and their role within their ecosystem. As I said, Jamie was very engaging.
So the salt water down there now has a certain amount of plastic in it, which means it's going into your salts, into your foods. You guys are all eating plastic for lunch and you don't even know it, which is actually dangerous to us. So plastics, what we throw on the ground. Now recycling's a big problem in Australia now. What's happening with our recycling in Australia? And I actually love that you guys, a lot of these guys actually knew what's happening to our recycling. What's happening to our recycling?
They still put it in the same spot as
It's cold. So most of the time in Victoria it's not warm enough or tropical enough for our tropic frogs. So our frogs in Victoria have claws for burying themselves. In tropical areas they have sticky feet for climbing outside the toilet bowl.
Oh, he's like Spider-Man.
He was able to really get the kids a hands-on experience, and when children and students are able to do that, they feel more inclined to then make change themselves, whether it be changing their habits such as use of water bottles and having something that's reusable, the way in which they reduce their amount of waste, or the fact that they're actually being more mindful of the climate and the habitat they have around their own homes as well. So really worthwhile having Jamie come and talk to the kids, and very much in line with our curriculum as well.